have so much joy in their playing for the Philippines, for their country.
And Coach Tai actually explained that, na pag ikaw yung nagsasasayaw ng gano'n, it relieves pressure from your players. So nakikita ka lang gano'n, the move becomes light as this service is brought to you by Smart Live More.
Ayun, yung natural na talent mo, lalabas at lalabas because you're not uptight, you're not stressed.
Oh, what an attack and a finish para din sa Malaysia. And again, they go to the side to send medyo maliit yung blockers as the ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Well, they need those. They need to score like that. Malaysia in a desperate situation here. They've already given up the first 2 sets.
Maraño asking for it. The chase down.
Mautakan yung dalawang blocker ng Malaysia. And she does it again. Good coverage though from the back line of Malaysia. Let's see. Murado goes to.
And
He's a charm. This time, Alyssa Valdez trying the same trick.
And I have to say this. Gia creates, Alyssa detonates.
Ayun.
And the play of the game brought to you by Smart Live More.
Yan talaga yung connection na hindi na bibili. Talagang nararamdaman nila eh. They know what their teammates are up to. Ooh, Rhea de Baculangan comes in for the first time here, giving Gia Morado a bit of a breather.
D-Mac, of course, a tall setter.
Talaga naman. Pride of UST as well.
Also won the Best Setter Award when she played in the Philippine Superliga last year.
Ito naman si Rhea, yung height na wala si Gia, yan naman ang meron talaga si Rhea. So she is definitely a force at the front line as well.
Ay, nakascore doon yung Malaysia.
Paisa-isa ang mga puntos ng Malaysia. While the Philippines just needs to stay composed, they need to make sure that they don't ease up, na huwag maging kampante. They have this. We've already taken the first 2 sets. And yun na nga, Malaysia will just continue to commit those errors at the serve this time. Although, that looked like it went down the line.
Yes, it is.
Okay, sorry, yeah. We heard, the Philippines has this way of celebrating points kahit hindi ka nila to try to change the minds of the officials.
Sabi ni Alyssa Valdez, akin na ulit yung puntos na yun. Rising and finishing, ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. 16-8 lead in the second technical timeout. The Philippines dito sa set number 3. Ang mga balibulistang Pinay, they are up 16-8.
A lot of learning happened here with Team Pilipinas after their game against Indonesia, which they lost in 3 straight sets as we watch Rhea de Baculangan, the setter now. Nakita natin na medyo walang performance sa blocks kahapon, kaya nag-adjust ang Pilipinas and they've been blocking here quite efficiently today.
Excellent transition para sa Pilipinas. And Alyssa Valdez with the ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Nice, handsome lead here. Philippines on the way to taking this match against Malaysia. Again, we keep harping on the one coming up against Vietnam. Yun ang pinakamahirap na kalaban natin dito sa grouping na ito. And the way things are set up here as we take a look at that nice back set. Buhay pa ang bola.
Scrambling defense para sa Team Pilipinas. Tackles from the back row. Is that down the line? Yes, it is.
You don't see too many rallies going on. Hindi tayo makapagkwentuhan, patay ng patay yung bola, no, James. Pero just to mention, ang setup dito, we have the top 2 teams coming from each pool advancing to the semifinals. And assured of a bronze na yung 4 na makakapasok. So what we need is a win against Malaysia and hopefully a win against Vietnam on Saturday, and we are assured of a bronze medal. On the other hand, on the other pool naman is Thailand, the number 1 team, going with Singapore and Myanmar.
18-9 advantage in set number 3. Jaja Santiago couldn't put it down.
Great block there by Malaysia.
Gonzaga, drop ball, hindi nahulog.
Rhea de Baculangan going outside. Oh, nice wind up there. That was a, yes, check ball.
As always, when in doubt, you go to number 2. And Alyssa Valdez, when you have the hammer, you put it down. And the ultra-fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Galing na adjustment ng Pilipinas. Kita nila that the front area of the court zones 3 and 4 quite covered by Malaysia, so they go deep and score that way. That's Eliza Valdez for you. 19-10. Konti na lang at sa atin na itong second match natin dito sa women's volleyball sa Southeast Asian Games. 10 years we haven't been around.
Oh, Malaysia though, not going quietly into the night.
What a service ace there by Malaysia.
11 serving 19. Their team captain, Shunting Be, on deck.
It's really been Be and acing low really creating for Malaysia. And that's their problem. They can't string along their serves. No, after after an ace, a net serve. And that's what's gonna do with him. Balik sa court si Bindin Santiago Manabat. Bea De Leon also, who saw action earlier today.
The young lioness from Loyola, si Bea De Leon. And Shunting Be really carrying the fight para di sa Malaysia will get replaced.
Kasi itong si Rifin Nuraini of Malaysia, number 2, was also their second best scorer yesterday, but she has not seen action. So Malaysia now desperate, trying all sorts of combinations of players on the court here.
Micah Ortiz preparing to serve. And I remember her when she played for the Philippine Air Force in club volleyball. Talaga napaka-energetic niya pag nakaka-running, nakaka-block.
Well, I guess I'll show my age sa UST ko siya naalala talaga. Oo, pero yan ang maganda. No? We talked about the combination of veterans and young players here on the side of Ateneo and yung respeto nila para sa isa't isa. And each one of them talks about how their teammates are so focused and very knowledgeable of the game and aware of their responsibilities as players and as representatives of the Philippines. Talagang dinidibdib nila yung bandera ng Pilipinas nasa kanilang jersey.
May ate system yung team.
Meron. And alam naman natin, another kill there by Malaysia. Slowly but surely making their points here. Alam naman natin na hindi nagkaroon ng maraming pagkakataon na mag-practice together as a unit itong Pilipinas. And so they're making the most of what they have. We know they have a lot of good camaraderie off the court. And they need to capitalize on that on the court.
Good read by Denton Lazaro.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, ano? A good serve, a bad serve after a good one from Malaysia. And Philippines just capitalizing on it. Consistent na tayo sa service, no? Hindi naging problema yun. Let's see what Bindin Santiago will deliver this time.
So Sotones in the game. Sotones making a name for herself, of course, in the NCAA women's volleyball. Tapos, nagpakitang kilos din siya sa Under-23 tournament. Siya yung hitting partner ni Eliza Valdez.
The lone representative of the NCAA dito sa squad na to, no?
Jaden Santiago Manaba, too strong in the service, but you know, we can't be sloppy. We can't be sloppy.
Although talagang crunch time ito para sa Malaysia and they know it. You can see in their faces. Let's see what Rhea de Maculangan sets up this time. Nabasa yon. Alam mo, very efficient talaga ang blocking ng Malaysia.
And the strong suit of their game, the block brought to you by Smart Live More. So Bea De Leon trying to hammer it home, pero huli sa taas. The Malaysian defense, they are up to serve. 14 serving 21, make that 15 to 21.
Alam mo, after that brilliant play at the net, you know, the blocking, so efficient, biglang magkakaroon ng service error na ganyan. That, talagang that can, you know, oh wow, that can really make you, you know, as the scorer, talagang nakaka-frustrate. Siyempre, walang sisihan dapat. It's a team game, pero masakit yun.
Good dig by Dindin Manabat. Valdez floats it up and gets the finish.
And she just decides to push the ball in. You know, you can just score all sorts of ways. At nakita ni Eliza medyo malayo yung posisyon ng kanilang middle blocker, no, hindi umabot. So she finds that hole, finds the opportunity to score easily, and she does.
And more action in just a moment. We are just a few points away from taking this set, taking this match, and taking the victory. Contra sa Malaysia, they were trying to get back into it. You can see the score 14-23. Yung kanilang blocking, whenever they got good reception, they were able to execute. Kaso lang, ang dami talaga nila service errors, Chicky.
And that's right. They can't even get their game going because sumasablay ang serve. And I'm sure yun ang sinabi sa kanila ng coach at the timeout. Just get your serves in.
If you can't get the first ball, you will fall.
Nice read by Lazaro. Ball still alive. Malaysia now with a chance here.
Di Makulangan, back set. Bea de Leon puts it down.
Yun, bumawi si Bea. Yan din ang maganda sa mga setters natin. Rhea de Makulangan giving it to Bea para to make up for that mistake that she had earlier.
And look at the lioness of Loyola Roar. The ultra fast bike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
So much we can expect from this tall player, 6-footer Bea de Leon. So young. So much talent.
Excellent attack para sa Malaysia.
Nice kill there by Malaysia. And they're not giving up. This is match point. Several match points here for Malaysia, but they still keep trucking on.
Balik nila yung mga veterano.
Oo. Well, this is next to impossible for Malaysia to even win this set and continue playing on. But the Philippines has to play this point as if it were not a match point, no?
Kok Si Teng on deck to serve. 15 serving 24. Match point. Pagitan ng Malaysia at ng Pilipinas.
Floater. Nice read by Denden.
And a nice of Valdez.
Ganun-ganun lang.
Unfortunately, I think goes out of bounds.
You see Malaysia celebrating there. It's so close. You know, the ball goes so fast. From our vantage point, it looked like it was inside down the line, but apparently not. Still match point for the Philippines.
Short serve, chase down.
Chance from behind the attack line. So easy.
And the punctuation mark delivered.
That's right. She didn't even need too much power on that. It's just so unexpected by Malaysia.
At the Team Pilipinas getting their first victory dito sa women's volleyball in the 28th Southeast Asian Games. And we will come back in just a moment. You're watching the SEA Games on Sports 5. And the Philippines taking their first victory in women's volleyball. Contra sa Malaysia, 25-15, 25-18, 25-16, winning that one in straight.